one dahi puri.
Hey guys, how are you all doing? I hope you all are absolutely fit and fine. And I know it's been a long time since a new video wasn't up on the channel, but here I am. And yes, even we had been in a lockdown, and yes, those were the tough times, but now it's all good. It's great here and absolutely fine. It's a bright and beautiful Sunday morning, and me and Ketan are going for a brunch date maybe. But yeah, so we are going to an Indian restaurant today for brunch, and yes, it's going to be a delicious one. So you guys stay tuned. And talking about the COVID-19 update, so it's pretty much in control in Poland now, and especially in Warsaw we are allowed to go around places. Shopping malls are open. We are allowed to move around in parks without our mask also, but in public transport it is mandatory for us to put on our mask. And yes, there are sanitizers available at every stores and everywhere around, so it's pretty much safe to get out of the house and just enjoy. So this restaurant near our house is the name is Bombay Masala, and they serve delicious breakfast. So during weekdays I think the time is up to 12 p.m. or 11 p.m. 11 a.m. But on Sundays they serve the breakfast menu up to 2 p.m. so which is really very great. So what we do is we don't have a breakfast as such on Sunday mornings, and then we choose an option to go here and have our Sunday brunch. So yes, and having Indian food on Sundays is like a treat for yourself. So this Bombay Masala restaurant has 2 branches in Warsaw itself. So you can one is in the city center and one is in the Praga district. So there is no breakfast menu in the Bombay Masala restaurant, which is in the Centrum. So you guys can anytime drop down here. It's a very peaceful place. You can look at the streets as well. So I'll show you the buildings here. They are very, very old, built up. So just have a look. So some of these buildings were built even before the war times, and so you can imagine how old they must be. But yes, it's very peaceful here.
And the sun is super bright out. It's 29 degrees. And yeah, beautiful day today. No sound, I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
So in Poland, Sundays is absolutely family day. It's literally everything is closed here. All the shopping malls are closed here. It's a trade ban on Sundays. So it's a very good thing, I feel personally, because everyone deserves to be with their family. Everybody deserves to spend time with their family. So I think it's a very great thing that despite the sales being high on Sundays, the shopping malls are closed. So if you are planning to go out for shopping, or if you are a tourist, if you are coming for very few days in Poland just for visit purpose type of thing, make sure Sundays is not a shopping day. It's not a great idea. Or else I will link in the description box the link for the calendar where you can find the trade bans on basically the Sunday closed, so you can plan your Sunday accordingly. So people normally they either go out in parks or they go out for dining, like maybe a brunch, lunch or dinner, anything, but they will make sure that they are spending time with their family, which is very good. And that is what even we are doing today. It's just two of us, and we are going to spend our time today.
Figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars. But I always fear the dark. Now I see violence.
Let's get in. This is the menu card, and just look at the ambience. It's beautiful and warm. And this is their kitchen. You can have a close look at the menu card. You can see bhel puri and dahi puri here. So we've ordered a chole bhature, we've ordered mango lassi and dahi puri. I am literally going to have, or rather we both are going to have dahi puri like after one year, more than 1 year now. So I can't tell you the level of excitement that I have right now, but feeling really very great. So chole bhature is being served with a cup of chai, which is free of cost. And how much do I appreciate this? But yeah, here it is.
स्माइल करने और बना रहे
I have no words to express how tasty it is, but my soul is satisfied right now.
Then have the other one.
So we've just got our mango lassi out, and we thought of sitting outside in the sun and chilling for some time rather than just rushing. And yes, we are on a chill mode. And in this restaurant, you will not only see Indians, but you will also see a lot of Polish people, because they also kind of like Indian food, is what I assume. But yeah, you can see a lot of Polish people as well. So we are just done having food, and we are going to have a nice walk here in the sun, because all through the year we don't really get much sunlight, so now is the time. So we will enjoy that as well.
Feel silence. You always feel so far when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound.
So we tried to shop for our special ones, but didn't quite find anything interesting, so we didn't, and now we are heading home back. So that is all for today's video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed it, and yes, also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and press the bell icon so that you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And yes, there are going to be new videos soon, so stay tuned, and so I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, bye bye, stay safe.